Hey guys, welcome back. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome. And if you don't know what this is about, if it is your first time seeing me, I'm going to leave a card up here so you guys can understand what this video is about. This is also going to be a voiceover, so let us just get started. I have my handy hat here, and I'm just gonna shake it up and pick. And y'all, I have so many videos recorded, but for the past 3 weeks, my computer has literally made me cry. Like, stuff is not working. I'm just frustrated and I'm sick again. Ooh, okay, so I just opened my paper and I have Bumblebee. And if you don't know who Bumblebee is, she is a DC Comics character. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, side note, I already have my brows done and I was thinking about it. My first look, which is like only 2 looks ago, it was also, she has the exact same colors as Vixen, and I know I can do something cooler because I want these looks to be wearable looks, so I don't want to go too crazy. I don't want to do too extra. And it's like I just did a yellow look, so I'm gonna pick again from the hat, and we're not gonna do Bumblebee today. She's gonna go, did I throw the paper away? The paper is gonna go right back in the hat, but I just don't want to do her right now because I just did a yellow look and her and Vixen have the exact same colors. So, and if you guys see me randomly laughing throughout this video, like during the voiceover, it's because I'm listening to a podcast. And they're funny. Okay, so I have Rocket. Rocket is not a yellow girl. She's not yellow, okay? So right off the bat, I am starting off with my eyeshadow primer. And I am using the E.L.F. eyeshadow primer. It's just what I really like using. And I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. And now I'm using a color from Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to say this now. Every single color that I'm using are all from Juvia's Place palettes, and everything I put on my face will be in the description box in the order that I applied on my face. So I'm choosing these colors specifically because they are the colors that are in her uniform in the DC universe. So I'm doing the Rocket from the DC universe, and she's on the show Young Justice. She appears a couple of times. And you guys can Google it and see the color of her uniform. So I'm just doing those basic colors. I'm not doing the one from the Dakotaverse. The Dakotaverse is the universe Static Shock is from. It's also the universe that Black Lightning is from. So I'm doing the one from DC Universe. So I didn't use a third purple transition color between my eyelid and where I would normally apply, like, you know, a transition color, because we both we all know blue and red make purple, so that's why I didn't bother using purple. And it's a simple look, so I'm just doing my eye off camera. And for my primer, honestly, I would have applied it first, but I got distracted with my podcast. And if you guys care, the podcast I was listening to was Black Men Can Jump in Hollywood, and I will also write that down in the description box. I really, really love them. So the foundation I just put on my face is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 7N1. I just got it, so I can't even remember what the actual name is. It's my first time using it in this video, so I used a foundation mixer, which I honestly did not need, but I used it anyway because I didn't really know what to expect, but it was my perfect shade. I already have a color, but it's too dark for me. It's my summer shade when I'm like, I get a tan. This duo I'm using is from Fashion Fair. Also another first in this video. I've never used it before. I know this looks alarming, but not to worry. I apply this very, 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 very thin under my eyes because I don't apply foundation under my eyes, so it's fine. Also, this is very opaque, so that's why you see a lot of intense colors, and nothing ever feels heavy or cakey under my eyes because I don't apply foundation and then concealer and then powder to set it. And you know, I don't bake, so nothing is ever powdery under my eyes. I'm using this lighter bluish silver color because in the comics there are a lot of highlights and shading and shadows. So this blue color is usually what they use to highlight the normal blue that she has on. So that's why I'm using that lighter blue in my inner tear duct. And I'm just applying this black eyeliner because it was too simple for me. I just wanted to give it a little drama. That's it, just a little bit of drama. Because y'all know I always say in my videos, I'm dramatic, I'm extra, so I needed some. It wasn't doing it for me, so I just wanted to add a little liner. And I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big. I love this mascara. Side note, guys, if you guys are enjoying this series, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up, comments, or something to let me know you guys are enjoying it, because I don't want to just keep doing something people are not going to watch or don't care about. And if you're new to my channel, if you enjoy my channel and my videos so far, please subscribe. But if it's not really something you're into and you don't care, you don't have to subscribe, because I will actually enjoy people that subscribe to my channel to actually watch my video instead of accumulating subscribers and people don't really honestly care. The blush I used was from Fashion Fair. I'm in love with it. This Milani liquid lipstick, I am also in love with it. It is so good. I have a lot of Milani liquid lipstick, and I know a lot of people say they're drying, but it is amazing. I love them. I love them. And I'm just using a shimmer purple. I don't even know how to describe the color, but it's like a shimmer light plum shade. No. But also from the Juvia's Place palette. I think it's from the Saharan palette, and the name of the specific shadow will be in the description box. And this is the whole look, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Please leave me your comments, your thoughts, what you would like to see next on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.